Hey, so I've run into a critical problem. Fireplace just bunked. I'm putting my socks on. I have packed and kind of repacked, and I am not able to, my base weight is 20 pounds. But fully loaded with my food, and water, it's 33. And when I have that much weight in my pack, the hip belt doesn't lay flat against my lumbar, but my butt shelf. So later, Bill and I are going to talk about it. The problem is that I am allergic to gluten. I'm not celiac or anything. I just have an intolerance to a high intolerance to gluten. I can have it once in a while, and it won't kill me. But it surely doesn't make my joints feel good. Yeah. And I think that it contributes to allergies, like stuffy nose and runny nose. But that's just anecdotal, but that's the story of my life. Anyways, that's why we are going to all the trouble, or Bill is, to make me gluten-free freeze-dried dinners. And the plan was that I would get a meal drop once a week, and then I would just carry 6 dinners. They weigh about 6 to 8 ounces a piece, and that adds up to more weight. Also, I have an Ursack. That's what we use here in Alaska. And I was just going to continue using the Ursack because it's convenient and I don't have to hang food bag. But the Ursack system with its bags and everything is a pound, just the bag. And that's a way that I can save weight. So it's like 3:30 and I got to go out and hike. So I'm going to go out with some water and my base weight and go about 3 miles or so before it gets dark, and give the pack a ride. This is my first ride. It is a Z-Pax Arcol Dyneema. And I think the last I looked it was like 6 degrees, so it has gotten warmer. And I'll check in with you later. Okay, I feel like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. I have so many layers on. But I'm outside, got my pack on. Show you around. Oops, how do I do that? Okay, there you go. That's across the street. And then I'll have to move over here. That's down the street. Yeah, pretty nice day. Okay, I'm gonna go walk. Bye. It's cold. Really, really cold. My eyelashes were like freezing. This isn't what I'm dealing with here. It's just so pretty. So it hasn't been too icy. I'm starting to go, well, you can tell, but I'm starting to go downhill, and hopefully I won't die. on the ice. Okay, I am cold. My butt is really cold, and I'm about ready to sink further down towards the river into the valley, where Bill said it was about -9 when he drove up on his truck. So, oh wait, hold on. I just remembered I had a thermometer, and it is 11 degrees, so it's not that bad. Check in with you in a bit. Okay, let's look at my frozen face. So I'm doing pretty good. Almost 2 miles in and ready to hike up ginormous hill. I've already been hiking uphill, but this goes like straight up. I'll try to show you, but the camera won't really show it. Okay. I made it to the top of the hill. Got the sunset behind me. Oh man, you can't see it now. Hold on. There it is. And at the 2 mile mark. And I'm not cold anymore. Kind of sweaty. Okay, done. Back home, jiggity jig. Let me find out what I did here. Um, 2.5 miles, 2.5 miles, an hour and 15 minutes. And yeah, it was 8 degrees. It was really cold, but I'm not cold. I'm kind of sweaty underneath. It's up from my face and my eyes. Like I got makeup coming off my face. Anyways, and this is not a good idea when it's frozen, especially. Yeah. It's frozen. Look at. No water. It's coming out of that. I think that I'm cooling down. I think I'm gonna go get all these 500 layers of clothes off and maybe get in the hot tub. I should tell you what I'm wearing. I have my REI synthetic puffy. I have a Condor waffle fleece. This is my buff mask and my fleece buff, and I have a REI it's not Capeline, but it's that other stuff. And then my Smart Wool 250 weight long sleeve sweater zip thing. And then on the bottom I have what do I have? My 250 Smart Wool leggings, the long thermal underwear that goes to these REI ones, and a pair of really thick plain cotton sweats, and then my rain pants. So yeah, and I'm probably kind of sweaty in the wool, but I don't feel cold or anything yet. Well, I won't because I'm going to go inside, get in the hot tub, and then I'll be warm. So I'll check in with you later. So I'm out of the hot tub and it was fabulous, and I'm sure going to miss that on the trail. Really, really going to miss the hot tub. So, new development. I haven't told you the long saga of my plantar fasciitis, and it's a sad one, but it has been getting better. I've been doing all the things, and actually the thing that works best is this little thing right here. Anyway, can I say one more time? I'm really going to be working on that. No, I can't stop. So, I am going to give my foot some love with the percussive massager. Ooh. And a fireplace. And it should feel a lot better. Walking in the snow on the chains with the full pack on was a little more than my foot wanted to be nice about. So that's what I'm going to do now.